this one. My camera on? Hey, Alvin, go straight for that. Look, they laugh. That thing right there. That's cheating. Your wife likes driving that, huh? Oh, I bet she does. Yeah. My wife might come ride with me if I had one of those. You can ride with her anytime. Got to do a battery switch. Y'all can rinse off here. That water's cold. That water's cold.
You go over there? Hold on.
I'm recording?
Yep,
okay. Making sure. Damn. Again. Look, man, you gotta stop doing that.
Hold on. No. 3 times in 1 year. Man, he fell off me. Hey, where's our guy that was mapping this shit out? It was him.
You know what happened? The current caught him.
The current caught him, huh?
Yeah. Now they're turning that back of that bike where the current's pushing water right in that exhaust.
You said what?
Current's pushing water right in that exhaust.
Oh, right now? You gotta flip it up.
Oh yeah, I made sure mine was on.
Yeah, the current's going up there. It's clean now. Did you turn it clean? You cleaned it?
You're gonna have to pick it up.
Well, say if they get on a tree somewhere.
And if they pick it up, it'll stand up on that wheelie part.
Well, let's back it up. Let's back it up further. Let me get one stop. Turn it, turn it. Turn it back towards the bank. The other way. There we go. That's good. Stick it in park. Take your airbox cover off and flip it up.
Come on.
Yep.
Okay. That's our name, man. Usually we take it out soon.
As long as it's not on the clean side. Take a little this way.
Doing this by myself.
Is it in park?
Yeah.
It's in park.
Yeah.
Got your phone on?
Ready? Go. Got it, Mark.
Maybe.
Here comes the water coming out
Need
good.
to put brakes on for you, Mark?
I'll be exhausted.
I think they've done this a time or two.
There you go.
That's a cool time.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. This ain't even that big of a deal. It's like, I'm like, oh, we flooded. This happens normally.
Grab it with the rag and pull it up.
Hey, is that water cold?
Fuck yeah, that water's cold.
Old
I need fucking
Volkswagen Beetle,
waders, man.
air cooled Beetle. Damn thing filled up with water all the way top of the car. And I don't know how long it sat like that. The rain got to it.
There you go. There you go. There you go. That one's full too.
So where are those? That's a clean side. That's a clean side right there.
Yeah, that Sheila air cooled motor, man, it's set with water in it for probably like 3 months. Pull the plugs, hit the starter, blew it out like 20 feet up. Threw it right back in it, fired right off.
I sunk a jet ski once.
Yeah, it got a shitload of water in there. Yeah. Yeah, you drop it down and it'll drain out of there.
Drop it down.
Let it down, Mark.
Boy, this is gonna be a crazy ass video.
Look at that shit.
Your front differential hose is like that already. We're talking about that much up the hose.
What?
The front differential hose is like about
The vent line. Because his vent lines are coiled up underneath his gauges. And I'm pretty sure when he tipped over, they got in it. Yeah.
That's alright, water cool.
Well, you have provided us with entertainment all day, buddy. All day. Holy shit. Hey, that one time, he was up on one wheel for like 5 seconds, and then, yeah.
Hey, radio boy.
three turned over.
Oh, it does that. Come on, stop. Water.
Just a little bit of water coming out of there, boys. Ooh. Every time you do that, it shoots water out. Wow. Yeah, it's warm water. Keep doing it. Yeah.
I was standing behind him like that. You want to start it or no?
All right, so tell me, what happened?
Hey, it's a submarine.
It's a submarine. Submarine's running the water.
Hey, it's better than
Let me see, rev it. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Holy. That's good. Good job.